Oh God, watch out.
Hey, Kylan. Look at the sweet, handsome brothers. You a good brother, Kylan. Get that baby now. Come on.
He fell down. Oh no.
Time to go. Oh, he stopped. He started back.
He fell down. No choice.
All right, y'all have a good night. Poor little baby.
Got it too rough.
Hi, Cameron. Look at him drying his baby brother tears.
Calm down. What's wrong? Be careful. He's drying his tears. Say hallelujah. Do the hallelujah, Kyle. Don't do that on him. Okay, that's good. Got more. Hungry? Tell him night.
Night, Cameron. Oh, he's sleepy.
All right, then.
Good night.
Say night to me and Papa.
Night, Kylan.
Just for that, where that guff is. I'm going to take the guff away. Swallow it. All right, I'm going to take your pajamas off and throw them in the garbage. All right, give me the pajamas. I'm going to send them back to Mimi. Yeah. They say bye.
Bye.
It's like he got plain English. All right, then.
Toodles. Bye, Naja.
Bye.
Love y'all.
Bye.
Love you.
Look.